Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll show you how to add a motion sensor to your system. First, we connect the sensor. We need a wire that goes to the V+ terminal and connects directly to the in as well. Next, we connect it to the 12 volts of the PIERRE controller. Then we give it to the GND connection by wiring it to the GND of the PIERRE. Now we need to connect the output signal, which we'll wire to one of PIERRE's inputs, in this case, input 1. Once that's done, don't forget to put the cover back on. This is essential for it to work properly. We place the cover back on, then power the system on. The power light on the sensor is on, the PIERRE is lit, and the sensor itself is flashing. Now let's open the partner app. We'll select our controller, go to the Add section, and choose Motion Sensor. We select the Academy role and dashboard. Then, we choose the pin, which is 1 since we've connected it to pin 1. Scroll down and click on Advanced. Here we need to select the type of motion sensor we're using. In our case, we'll choose to send a signal when motion is detected, so we select the Change option. You can also set how long the sensor stays active after detecting motion. Once that's set, we click Submit and then Done. Now we open the user app and you can see that the motion sensor has appeared. As you can see, as soon as motion is detected, it immediately notifies us. That's it. Thank you for watching PIERRE Academy.